Hello, let's talk about the Chapter 2 assignment. And this one was short and sweet. All you had to do was read case study number 2, laptop versus tablet, which one to buy, and write a little bit of answering each of the case questions. Okay, so let's talk about those questions. The first of these read, what should you do before deciding between a laptop or a tablet? Okay. The very first thing you need to do is really determine what your needs are. Okay, it really shouldn't be budget based, because actually today you can find some good inexpensive laptops for about the price of a tablet. Okay, laptops are perhaps a little less mobile or portable than a tablet. That's one of the nice things about a tablet is they're very easy to carry. But you really need to define your needs. Okay. The second question, and I would have wanted you to talk a little bit about that. Perhaps talk about what you personally would see your needs. Now, one key thing is if you're going to do a lot of content creation, you're going to be editing movies, you're going to be doing a lot of typing. I know that the tablet manufacturers would really like you to think that you could do that on a tablet. You can if you add some peripherals like a keyboard and things of that sort. The problem with that is you're driving the cost up, and essentially you're going to end up with what is essentially a laptop. Okay. What are some of the key features of each device? Tablet computers, for the most part, as I was saying, are not best for content creation. They are good for content consumption. Media players, ebook readers, things of that sort. Laptops, on the other hand, the more powerful ones could replace a desktop computer, and you could do video editing, photo editing. If you wanted to write the next great American novel, you can do that without too much strain. So content creation, laptop is probably better than a tablet. The next question is, what are 3 important characteristics of each device that might influence your decision? And obviously, size, we've already talked about portability. Battery life. Tablets, when they first came out, had remarkable battery life compared to laptops. Laptops are actually catching up. Okay, we've talked about battery life. Okay, availability of productivity tools. There aren't too many applications available for, say, iPad or even perhaps an Android tablet for actually creating content. They're a little restricted in that way, whereas there are plenty of options for your laptop computer. Hardware and software support is always something to consider. What kind of support is available? And then finally, what level of connectivity? Now, both laptops or tablets can go with well, they both are virtually guaranteed of having Wi-Fi. And the question is, do you want to spend the extra money for LTE cellular connectivity? Okay. And then the last thing you were asked was just to give 3 examples of tablets on the market, and there are plenty of them out there. There's Apple iPad. There's Samsung has got the Galaxy Tab. There's also the Galaxy Note. You could argue that's a tablet as well. LG has the Optimus Pad. Amazon has Kindle Fire and different variations of that. Google has, of course, its Nexus line, the Nexus 7 and Nexus 10. Asus and Acer have their own. Microsoft obviously has the Surface, Surface 2 and Surface 3 at this point. And the list just continues to grow. Dell has one. HP has had a couple. Virtually every major manufacturer has come out with a tablet of one sort or another. Okay.